morning, students. How you all are? Hope all will be fine. Now today I am going to start a new chapter, linear equation in one variable. Now let's start it. So in that, first of all you should know what is an equation. So here, what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. You will be getting two expressions and they are always equal to each other. Okay. Now second is solving the equation. The process of finding the number a variable represent in an equation is called the solving an equation. You will be having one unknown number. To find the value of that unknown number is called solving the equation process, and the value which you get is said to be a solution of an equation. Is it clear? The equation which you will solve, that is called solving an equation, and the value which you get at last is said to be as the solution of the equation. Is it correct? Okay, now let's move to simple equation. What is a simple equation? Now next is what is a simple equation? A simple equation is an equation in which variable is only raised to power 1. You can see it here. X is to the power 1 only. When no number is written, it is equal to 1. So you can say it here that x minus 3 is equal to 8 because only one variable is there and that is also raised to power 1. So what is simple equation? A simple equation is called, an equation is called a simple equation if the unknown is raised to power 1. Now next is, in equation there are two sides. One is left hand side and other is right hand side, and both are always equal to each other. Okay, an equation have two sides, left hand side and right hand side, and these both the sides are equal to each other. You see, it is equal to left, so it is said to be as left hand side, and it is equal to right, so it is said to be as right hand side. Okay, this one is before equal to, so it will be on the left side, and it is after equal to, it is on the right side. Now let us solve exercise self practice 6a. Now we are going to solve self practice 6a. See some questions you have to do. See question number 1. A part 2x plus 7 is equal to 11. Now when you will solve this, there are some difference in the sign. When you will change the sign from left to right or right to left, the plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiply will become divide, and divide will become multiply. Okay, when you will change the sign of a number, then you have to change the sign also with the number. So when plus will become minus, minus will become plus, divide will become multiply, and multiply will become divide. Now see here, it is given is that 2x plus 7 equal to 11. So you will have 2x is equal to 11. This plus 7 will become minus 7. Correct? Now 2x 11 minus 7, it is equal to 4. Now what I said next, multiply will become divide. X is equal to 4 by 2. So here what is the value of x? That is equal to 2. Correct? 2x plus 7 equal to 11. So 2x will be 11 minus 7. 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 by 2, and at last x will be equal to 2. This is the value of x in this equation. Now see B part. 8 plus 5y is equal to 23. So what you will write? 5y is equal to 23 minus 8. Here now first thing what you have to do, you have to take the variable on one side and all the constant on one side. That only I am doing. Took the variable on the left side and constant part on the right side. So 5y is equal to 23 minus 8, 15, and y is equal to 15 upon 5, and y is equal to 3. 5 3s are 15. Correct? 8 plus 5y is equal to 23. Now 23, 8 you will shift on the right hand side. It will become 23 minus 8. That will be equal to 15. And y is equal to 15 by 5, and y will be equal to 3. Correct? Okay. Now see the C part. 4x minus 9 is equal to 7. So 4x is equal to 7 plus 9, and 4x is equal to 16. So what will be x is equal to 16 by 4. X is equal to 4. Now here what is the equation? 4x minus 7 is equal to 9 is equal to 7. So what will be 4x? 7 plus 9. Because when this 9 will come on the right hand side, it will become plus 9. So 4x will be equal to 16. And x will be 16 by 4, that is equal to 4. So here the value of x is equal to 4. Okay? Any confusion till here? You have to be very careful with the changing of sign and using of variables here. Now see the D part. So here what you will do? Firstly, you will change plus 1 on the right hand side is equal to 3 minus 1. So y by 7 is equal to 2. Y, what will be the value of y? 7 into 2, y is equal to 14. Correct? You can see y by 7 plus 1, 3. So when this will go on the right hand side, the 3 minus 1, 2. And I have told divide will become multiply. So y will be equal to 7 into 2. So y is equal to 14. Correct? Now see the E part. 6 plus t by 4 is equal to 9. T by 4 is equal to 9 minus 6. T by 4 is equal to 3. T is equal to 3 into 4, which implies that T is equal to 3 fours are 12. Here what is there? 6 plus T by 4 is equal to 9. Now this 6 will come on the right hand side, that will become minus 6. So 9 minus 6, that is 3. T by 4 is equal to 3. T is equal to 3 into 4, and that T is equal to 12. Isn't it? Okay. Now see the F part. So what you will have? X by 3 is equal to 1 minus 9. X upon 3 is equal to minus 8, and x is equal to minus 8 into 3, which further x is equal to minus 24. Okay. Here what is there? X by 3 plus 9 equal to 1. So x by 3 is equal to 1 minus 9, and x is equal to minus 8 into 3, and x will be 8 3 is 24. So x is equal to minus 24. Okay. Is it clear to you this part? This equation 1, or any problem you are having? Okay. Now let's move to question number 2. Now in this, what you will do firstly, you take the variable on one side and number on the other side. You see here variables in both the side. So you will do like this. 2x, as it is plus, it will become minus x, 7, and this plus 1, that will become minus 1. What you will have? 2x minus x, 6 is equal to 6. What is your answer? X is equal to 6. Okay, we have to change the position of firstly x and variable constant together. So x, 2x minus x will be 7 minus 1, that is x is equal to 6. Correct? Now see the B part of it. 5x plus 12 is equal to 3x plus 20. So what you will have? 5x minus 3x, 20 minus 12. So you will have 5x minus 3x as 2x is equal to 8. So imply that x is equal to 8 upon 2. X is equal to 4. Okay. What you are having? 5x plus 12 is equal to 3x plus 20. Now these 3x will come on the left hand side. It will become 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x, and 20 minus 12 is equal to 8. What will be here? X is equal to 8 upon 2. So x will be equal to 4. Okay. The value of x in this equation will be 4. Now see the C part. So here you see, you will have 3y minus 8y is equal to minus 15. So 3y minus 8y minus 5y is equal to minus 15. So what will be y? 15 upon 5. So you will have y is equal to 3. Okay. What you will have? 3y is equal to 8y minus 15. So you will have to shift 8y on the right hand side, left hand side. So 3y minus 8y, it will be equal to minus 5y, and that minus 5y is equal to 15. What will be y? 15 upon 5, y is equal to 3. Okay, correct or wrong? What are the things you have to see? First is sign and next is the use of variable. These are the two important things in this part. Now let's move to question D. Now see, 6p minus 5p is equal to minus 7 plus 18. What will be your p? Is equal to 11. 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. So 6p minus 5p p, and here 18 minus 7, that is equal to 11. The value of p is equal to 11. Now see the e part. P plus 10 is equal to 20 minus t. Now see, you will take the variable on the one side, so it will be t plus t is equal to 20 minus 10. So t plus t, 2t is equal to 10. So what will be the value of t? 10 upon 2. So that is t is equal to 5. Okay? T plus 10, 20 minus t. So this t will come on the left hand side. So t plus t, 2t, and 20 minus 10, 10. So 10 upon 2 will be 5. The value of t is equal to 5. Correct? Now see the F part. 7z minus 18 is equal to 28 plus 2z. So 7z minus 2z is equal to 28 minus 18. So 5z is equal to 10. So z is equal to 10 upon 5, imply that z is equal to 2. Now see here in this F1, 7z minus 18 is equal to 28 plus 2z. This 2 will shift to the left hand side. So 7z minus 2z, 5z will get. And this 18 will shift to the right hand side. So minus 28 plus 18, that will be minus 10. So minus z is equal to minus 10 upon 5. So z is equal to minus 2. Correct? 7z minus 18, and this is minus 28 plus 2z. So this 2 will shift that side. It will become 7z minus 2z, that is equal to 5z. And minus 28 plus 18, that is minus 10. So minus 10 upon 5, that will be equal to minus 2. So here z is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now any problem? Any confusion till here? No confusion? Any confusion is there? If you are having any confusion, you can clear your doubt by asking the questions. Okay? You can clear your doubt by asking the question. And that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day. Thank you.